Must try 3 homemade fruit drink recipes. Recipe 1, homemade fruit wine. This simple recipe yields delicious homemade fruit wine using just sweet grapes. Follow this method to get vibrant color and a wonderful fruity aroma. Ingredients: 2.5 kg of sweet grapes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 grams yeast for fermentation, 50 g of rock sugar. Instructions: 1. Clean the grapes, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt on the grapes and soak them in water for 5 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour to effectively clean the grapes. Rinse well and let them dry. 2. Crush the grapes. Using your hands, gently crush the grapes. Avoid using a blender or grinder to preserve the fibers. 3. Fermentation setup. Pour the crushed grapes into a clean, dry glass jar. Add the yeast and 50 g of rock sugar. Stir everything well. 4. First fermentation. Close the lid and place the jar in a warm spot for 3 days. You'll notice the juice and pulp separating. 5. Second fermentation. After 3 days, filter out the liquid and return it to the jar for another 4 days of fermentation. 6. Enjoy. After the second fermentation, your fruity wine is ready. Serve a glass of the wine with your meals for a delightful experience. Recipe 2. Refreshing fruit tea. Let's make a delicious and refreshing fruit tea that's easy to prepare at home. This colorful and flavorful fruit tea will surely impress everyone. Ingredients: lemon slices, yellow and green lime, fresh apples chopped, watermelon, 350 ml passion fruit juice, 350 ml pineapple sauce, 1350 ml purified water, 360 g fructose, 350 g ice cubes, 1800 ml jasmine green tea. Instructions: 1. Prepare the fruit. In a large container, add 360 g of fructose, sauce, and 350 ml of passion fruit juice, and watermelon kernels. Pour in 350 ml of pineapple, 1350 ml of purified water, green tea, and add 1800 ml of jasmine tea. 2. Mix the base. Combine lemon slices, chopped fresh apples. Stir everything well. 3. Combine liquids next. 4. Chill. Top with 1350 g of ice cubes and mix again. Serve chilled and enjoy this refreshing fruity tea. Recipe 3. Tasty fruit jelly. This simple and tasty jelly recipe is made without additives, perfect for kids. Ingredients: juicy pear, peeled and diced, 700 ml water, tremella fungus, soaked and chopped, white sugar, 1 pack of jelly powder. Instructions: 1. Cook the pears in a pot. Add 700 ml of water and diced pear. Bring to a boil. 2. Add the tremella. Once boiling, add the soaked and chopped tremella fungus. Simmer for 20 minutes until slightly gelatinous. 3. Sweeten and thicken. Add white sugar to taste and stir well. Sprinkle in the jelly powder and mix until fully dissolved. 4. Cool and set. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then pour the mixture into a bowl. Allow it to cool and solidify. 5. Serve. Once set, serve with honey for a delightful treat. Happy cooking! Enjoy your homemade drinks. Please share the recipes with your family and friends.